I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World. Okay, we're going to start. This is a project. Reason I'm doing this, Donald Duck, is because I was going to add something a little bit, if I can do it.
Oh boy, Professor Vinster here.
Yeah, Professor Vinster here. I don't think it's working out very good today. Usually I could do it pretty good, but we'll give it a shot. Yeah, it's a fun video anyway. Anyway, Donald Duck, and we'll get started to peel it off. Let's fix this first. All right. Okay, so there's a little bit under the chinny chin chin. Ah, my beautiful blade. It's gone. Now I got to resort to this one. These are all cheapo. They work, but they're not as. I've had that blade since I was 16 years old. Man, and that's no word of a lie. I've had this forever. Heavy duty. I'm hoping maybe in the garage I have something hiding somewhere, one of my tool chests, that I can replace it. So there we go. We got Donald Duck.
Oh boy, I just heard that. Professor Vinster.
That was Professor Vinster, if it didn't sound like it. I'm trying. It's actually 12 of midnight, And everybody's actually getting ready for bed except me. I decided to do this video. Now, it doesn't come from your throat. It comes from you push your tongue against the side of your teeth and you make the noise.
Goo, goo, oh boy. Ah, goo.
And that's how you get the sound. So it's got nothing to do with your throat because my wife said, "Well, don't hurt your throat when you try to do it." And no, it's you actually blow air out. So you put your tongue against your side of your mouth, your teeth, and you go,
Goo, goo, goo.
and you keep blowing out.
Oh boy. This is what I love to go this. I don't bet. Go to one.
Hopefully, you can understand what I'm saying. But anyway, there's Donald Duck. And let's see, what else can I do? Oh, he does a nice sneeze.
Goo. Oh boy.
So I don't want to push my luck and then start making it so you can't even understand me. So anyway, some days I can do it really good. And some days, I don't know, just go with it. And if you have the heart, subscribe to my channel, like, and there'll be many more. And I'm going to be getting into some big projects, which I'm working on right now. I have a I call it a super size uh, project. And the video is going to be coming up in the next few days, I believe, or over the weekend. And yeah, and it's going to be a good one, I believe. I think it's really neat. I've Googled, and I don't think anybody's ever done it. I could be wrong, working or non-working, but I have an idea for this thing, and hopefully you'll pay attention to my channel the next couple of days. So
Oh boy. Have a good day.
that was goodbye and have a good day.
Sure. Booga, 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 booga. Booga.
See if I can do the alphabet.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
That's all I'm going to do. Till the next video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.